there soon enough. No.
That's all you want, princess? But there is no way in hell that we're gonna give up until my mother is back. We're gonna find Dr. Rolf.
Oh, please. Even if you find Dr. Rolf, my Wilhelm, do you honestly believe that he would turn on me? Never. Your mother is gone. She is gone forever.
Pain in the ass is wrong. Rolf is apprehended.
I do not suppose he asked of me.
What's the news?
Well, it looks like our real pain in the ass is wrong. Rolf is apprehended. And it looks like he's going to turn on our little princess Nightmare over here, and he's going to reverse what he did to our mother.
Fantastic.
You got nothing to say, princess?
Oh my gosh. These are Rolf's files. He wants to turn you into Princess Gina again. We have to do something. We have to show this to somebody. No one else can know about this. What do you mean? I mean, it is too late. It is done. I am Princess Gina.